The DJI Avata 360 has taken a major step toward launch, and drone enthusiasts finally have a big reason to celebrate. On November 19, 2025, the highly anticipated FPV drone officially appeared in the United States Federal Communications Commission database. This FCC listing is not just paperwork. It means the drone has cleared one of the biggest hurdles required before it can be sold in the U.S. market. For DJI fans and creators waiting for the next big leap in immersive aerial filmmaking, this is a strong signal that the Avata 360 is getting closer to making its real-world debut. With FCC approval now confirmed, the story has moved beyond rumors and into the realm of real consumer readiness. The FCC certification ensures that the Avata 360 meets strict wireless communication and electronic safety standards. Every device that uses radio transmission must comply with these rules to avoid harmful interference and to make sure it operates safely. The listing under FCC ID SS3-DVN3NT shows that the drone complies with U.S. requirements, while the IC certification confirms the same for the Canadian market. The filing also shows battery details and standard warnings, including reminders to keep hands away from the moving parts of the drone. Interestingly, this approval also comes at a politically sensitive time. The FCC recently voted in favor of rules that could block sales of devices considered national security risks, and DJI has repeatedly been caught in the middle of such discussions. Despite the heightened scrutiny, DJI continues to push forward, and the Avata 360's FCC approval is proof that the company has no plans to slow down their innovation. As for what the drone is expected to deliver, the Avata 360 is shaping up to be one of the most versatile FPV drones ever. It is believed to carry dual 1/1.1-inch image sensors capable of 360-degree capture with an impressive 38-megapixel resolution for still images. Video performance could reach 8K at 50 frames per second for panoramic footage and 4K at up to 120 frames per second for traditional FPV shooting. For creators who demand professional-grade color grading options, the presence of 10-bit D-Log-M would be a major advantage. Stability is handled by Rocksteady 3.0 Plus combined with horizon balancing, and the drone is expected to include advanced LiDAR-assisted obstacle sensing. With a projected 25-minute flight time, powerful OcuSync 4.0 transmission, and a rumored price of around $999 for the Fly More combo, the Avata 360 looks ready to lead the FPV world in 2026.